This tiny creature might never die and its cells could stop aging. Beneath the surface of a glowing freshwater pond, Hydra stretches its fragile tentacles, drifting in the gentle currents. Smaller than a grain of rice, Hydra is almost invisible, yet it possesses a remarkable gift: regeneration. While most living things age over time, Hydra's body remains ageless. Under a microscope, a dazzling dance unfolds. Cells divide endlessly. Hydra's stem cells, highlighted by a soft glow, replace every part of its body. No signs of decline, no aging process, just perpetual renewal. In modern laboratories, scientists watch in awe. When Hydra suffers injury, its cells orchestrate healing with precision. Cut a Hydra in half and both pieces regrow into complete creatures. Researchers discover unique genes and molecular pathways that preserve its stem cells, keeping them youthful and active. Data holograms pulse with the cycle of regeneration, revealing the biological foundation of immortality. The implications reach far beyond Hydra's pond. By studying how Hydra maintains its ageless state, scientists hope to unravel the mysteries of human aging. Imagine human tissues repairing themselves, organs healing, and lives extended. The possibilities for regenerative medicine inspire hope, perhaps new treatments for degenerative diseases, or ways to slow aging itself. Nature hides profound secrets, and Hydra's existence challenges our understanding of life and time. As the slow zoom pulls back from Hydra's glowing form to the bustling lab, one question endures: can we ever learn from this tiny, timeless creature and reshape our own fate?